The other day while I was working on the window grill project, I realized I had a need for a tool that would get in here and support this part of the little leaf scroll element while I forge it in this direction. And the thing I thought of first was simply a bridge tool for use at the anvil. Unfortunately, this does not actually fit in my bridge tool, and I would need to make another bridge tool. So I thought I'd take a different approach and make an anvil stake or a bickern with a thin, flat heel on it that will fit in there. Next I'll go to the piece of 4140 and I'm going to start with the parallel taper that will be the heel of the stake. So this is the bick part, or the working end of this, and it's going to get welded to this. There'll be a lot of grinding to do to get everything ready and get it all just the way I want it. And I think I'm going to cut the ends off first. So this is a little ragged, and this one's got this really weird pucker going on that I thought was kind of interesting. But I'm going to cut that off. We're going to grind it. Here are our two main pieces for the stake, and now this needs to be welded to that. I've really beveled this off heavily so I can get a good deep penetration weld. This is all tack welded together with all the pieces right where I want them. The next thing I want to do is preheat this, because the dissimilar metals between the 4140 and the mild steel don't always weld that well, and when welding to tool steels, it's better to preheat it. It's been a lot of welding and chipping and a little grinding and some wire brushing and a little bit of straightening. I had to bring it back up to heat and forge it to straighten some warpage and some misalignments up. But I think it's coming out pretty well. The weld is definitely proud of what I want in the long run, so I've got something I can grind down, make it all flush. Okay, we've given this enough time. I'll try to step out of your way. I'm going to work it up and down in the bucket to make sure that it's thoroughly hardened. It didn't flare up as bad as I thought it might.